Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruby and welcome to Ruby Studio. Have you been looking for ways for AI to do the hard work for you and while you make the money? Yes, you are already in the right place. Sit back, relax and enjoy this section. On today's video, I'll be teaching us on how to generate still images, that is AI pictures that you can use for your influencing channel, how to generate the pictures, how to animate those pictures even if you want them to talk on other platforms, and how to actually make them talk on other platforms. This video is going to be a full packed video that you're going to be learning a whole lot. Please remember to like and share this video. So let's get right into the video. I'll be teaching you how to generate your prompt using ChatGPT, how to generate your images using ChatGPT or Meta AI on WhatsApp or Grok. Yes, you can also use Grok to generate your images. So I'm going to be teaching you that, and I'm going to be teaching you how to animate your videos, even if you want it to talk on another platform. And the exact platform we'll be using is Digen AI to animate. The last time I taught you how to animate on Digen AI and also how to make those videos talk on Digen AI. So today I'll be adding one more tool, AI tools, for us to be able to animate and also, make our videos talk. So let's get right into it. So we are going to start with our image generation as usual. I'm going to skip so many steps because I have already taught us how to generate prompts, image prompts on using ChatGPT. So you can go back to those videos and check them out. I'm going to be leaving their links in the description box. So I'm just going to go all over that part and then just advance to where you will import it to Digen AI. Okay, so let me just generate images. So I'm generating our prompts and then I'm going to copy the prompts. We are going to paste that prompt here we are going to paste that prompt here on WhatsApp. So we are going to tell it to create an image. Create an image of, then you press send. So let's wait for the outcome. Meta AI does not take a lot of time, so it's just in how many minutes you are done. So let's wait for the picture. Okay, so we have a picture already. And then okay, so we have a picture of a young girl, a teenage girl in a school uniform. We are going to copy this picture or save it if you don't automatically save in your camera roll. So we are going to take this picture and then save it. So once we save the picture, we take it to where is that agent? So we take the picture to Digen AI. So on Digen AI, we are going to just animate the still picture. We are not going to make it talk on Digen AI. We are only going to animate it on Digen AI. So let's start with it. You upload your picture. Here's our picture, and then you post it. So please be patient for it to upload. I've always said this, do not double tap. It is going to load. Just be patient a little bit. So yes, our picture has been uploaded here. So instead of us going to talk, we are not going to go to talk this time around. We are going to prompt. You come to prompt, you click on prompt, and then you choose how many minutes do you want it to speak for. We have 5 minutes, we have 5 seconds, we have 10 seconds, and we have 15 seconds. 15 seconds is premium. So let's try. So 15 seconds is premium. So let's go for 5 seconds and let's click on 1080p. We are going to produce our picture in 1080p. So you just want the picture in the prompt session. You just want to type your prompt, what you want your image to be doing. Here now we are only animating. It is not going to talk. We are going to only animate. Animate means to move the object or to move the item, however you want to see it. So we are going to just, what do I want my what do I want my image to be doing? I want my image to be walking and talking. Walking, talking, and gesturing. Gesturing. I want my picture to also make gestures. So after doing that, we are going to select generate image and wait patiently for it. So it's saying it's going to take a bit of time and have to wait. You just have to wait. You don't have a choice. You just have to wait if you want to enjoy this platform. So let's wait a bit. Okay, so our video has been generated, which is our animated video. What we'll do next is to download. Our video has been processed successfully. So the next thing for us to do is to download. So we have downloaded the video successfully. We take it to Dreamface, Dreamface AI, and we go to avatar. Because we want you to talk or sing, you click on avatar talk/sing, and you are going to select your avatar. You click on you click on add picture. You go to your photo album and click on the picture, on the animated. So you go to your gallery and click on the animated video you have done in Digen AI. You upload it and then save. So you have it here already. Now the next thing for you to do is to say, want the AI to say or sing. Want the AI to say or sing, choose a voice, then animate effect. So we are not animating here, we already animated. So what we want it to do is to say something or sing. So you click on it and then if you want it to interpret a text into a text script for you, you click on text script. That is, you are going to write your prompt out and then paste it on the type. But I'm not typing. What I want to do is I want to record my own voice. Some of us have unique voices, and it is better for us to use our voices rather than just using AI voices, just for us to be authentic. I'm always a preacher of use your own voice. Yes, your voice is so beautiful, so why not use your voice? Don't shy away from your voice. So you can also import your voice if you want to. You can see the import button there. So but if you're not importing, you can just easily record. So I'm going to record now. Continue. Allow. Hey guys, welcome back. So you can delete if you're not pleased, because I didn't know what to say. I'm just going to say something from the top of my head. So can you give me a suggestion of what I can say? I don't even know, but let me try. Fast thinking. Hey guys, I'm just returning from school. Please support every school kid out there with books, virus. Okay. Hello everyone. Support every child there with even Hello everyone, I am a student and I am an advocate of supporting every child you can see in your streets, in your homes, in schools. Support them with writing materials like books, biros, or any other type of writing materials. It will go a long way to help them and their parents. Thank you. It's a love season. Let's spread love. So that will be it. And if I like it, if I want to play it, I can easily play it.
Hello everyone, please
You see, I like it and then I want to confirm. You go to confirm and then click. So what you do is you then go to animate. You animate your, so you don't want to choose a voice, you already have your own voice. So you just go to animate and boom, let's wait for it. It's trying to generate. Let's wait for it. If you have gotten value from this video, I've been talking and I'm very sure you have gotten value. If you have watched this video up until this moment, I am sure you have gotten value from it. Please like and share. Please, I'm begging. I'm just a new YouTuber and I want to also grow on this platform. And that is why I am bringing this much value to us, guys. Please like and share and then subscribe. Please subscribe and then we meet at the top together. Thank you. So let's wait for the video to upload. So our video has been downloaded. The next thing for us to do
Hello
is
everyone,
download
I
it.
am a student and I'm an advocate of helping every school child you see with stationaries like book, biros, erasers and the likes. This is a season of love. Let's spread love.
Thank you for supporting me and for watching this video up until the very end. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe so that YouTube can push this video to other people. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.